From the hole, you can see it fits your face pretty well. And this is the nose pin. We use aluminum material because it's easy to adjust. And this is the welding spot. This is the square. You can either change to rectangle or dot. And this is the head strap. You can customize the length and the width. This is our set welding head strap. We can check another one. This is our front welding strap. As you can see, this one, the welding spot, the welding is start from here, the set here, and this welding ear strap is from the set edge. So these two, compared with the normal one, this one will be more comfortable. And the whole machine adopts steel structure. It can reduce body vibration and machine abrasion to extend the service life of the machine. Let's start from our feeding area. This is the fabric rack. It can put max 5 layers of fabric, and it has double side. Since it has two working positions for this machine, there are sensors of each layers. The system will give an alarm, and the machine will stop automatically if it detects there is no fabric on certain layer. Move to here, we can see two channels here. This two part is to form mask in shape by this mask mood. Through head temperature, and this is the outside. This is the edge sealing part. It uses 50K 4200 watt ultrasonic to drive. And here is to cut off the excess edge. Then it will be a mask like this. And this hole from here, this whole section adopts 4 hinges servo motors, 2 for pulling the fabric and the other 2 are for mask laying. Let's check the motors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And move to here. Let's take a look at this section and then move to here. Here is the nose pin installation area. Mask will be transferred to here by the new manipulators, like this part transfer to here. This transfer to here. Here. And move to here, you will install the nose pin. This is the first time to install the nose pin, and this is the second time to press the nose pin firmly, like this. And here is our touch screen. It supports 8 languages, and we also can customize other language for you. And this is the alarm light. The green is working, the yellow is heading, the red is emergency stop. And each position of the mask area has a sensor to detect whether it's finished. If not, the next step will not continue. The nose pin all uses step motors to drive. We can install inkjet printer in this area according to customer needs. Here is the strap welding station. This part. The machine is using double-side head welding station. First side, second side. So it's a double-side welding station. The machine, one is for top headband, one is for top for this side, and another one is for this side. Each welding spot here, each welding part, this part, are using ultrasonic with 28K 800 watt. So So in total, So in total, it uses 4 pieces of solid here. And let's take a look at our handbag clips. These are our handbag clips. We use a famous brand from Taiwan called AirTag. It's 2 times expensive than normal cylinders. And if the let's check our handbag scissors. This is our handbag scissors. It is a very spare part. We suggest to order some extra. Here is the convoy line. Here is the convoy line. You can deliver the finished mask docked on here. The manipulator, this part, manipulator, will transfer the mask from here to here, and it can stack max 10 pieces per time. Now we suggest put 5 pieces maximum here. And let's take a look at our electric box. Here is our electric box, and this line is our stacking motors. There we can see. And each cable has a certain code. This for easy maintenance. And let's take a look. And here have a screen. Is to control this part, the front part. And here have some buttons for specific function. And this hour. And here have 2 servo motors. Is to drive this part. And these are the 2 stacking motors. I will show you it next. It will drive the wasting part, traction circling. This part, the actual stacking motor is to try the waste recycling here and here. And this is the sensor of the waste recycling. It can detect whether the waste is go here. This is the stacking motor. And let's take a look at our air pressure motor. This is our air pressure port. The whole machine uses 3 pieces of air pressure port. 2 pieces 20 liters and 1 piece 50 liters. 50 liters. And let's check our solid. Here have 2 and there have 2 as well. And that's all.